So yeah, another Trapdoor moment. Like 4 days ago, it was image generation inside ChatGPT with 4.0 image generation, brand new on the scene. Now, Runway just dropped Gen 4, and it's about to rattle the entire video and VFX industry. This is the first generative model I've seen that gives you true world consistency. Same characters, same environments, same lighting, styling, mood, carried across multiple shots. And this isn't just like cool clips. You can direct scenes, track characters over time, frame them from different angles, and it still holds together like real cinematography. I've played around plenty with Runway ML v3, and it was great, it was fine, it was really good fun, but there was never any consistency between shots. In their demos, a lovely skunk wanders through a forest, same path, same light, multiple perspectives, multiple angles. There's a monkey that sparks a full music video. A wooden toy drops into New York, and then the desert, and then in the mountains. And it still looks like it belongs in each of those shots. There's even reflections, we've got fire physics, it's nuts. Now, I don't have access yet, but I've already mocked up a test project for something I want to do for a paying client. And as soon as Gen 4 lands in my account, I'll run it through real world use cases. I'm looking at client mockups, fake campaigns, visual tests I can feed into Lovable, so we could have a custom hero video on the back of the landing page without having to go off and shoot anything with clients at all. And here's what really matters. This model doesn't just make stuff look good. Just like the GPT-4o image generation, it understands intent. It's the first time I've seen a generative tool that behaves like, well, a junior director. One you can brief and get usable, consistent video footage from. And when API access drops, this won't be just about prompting sat in front of a screen. There'll be automated video pipelines. I've seen some of it in the mock-ups here. We've got VFX layered on top of VFX. And like what I'm already doing with the replicate stuff, with fast branded asset runs at scale for photography and images, we'll be able to do that with video. No sitting around, no manually poking the interface. So if you're a creative freelancer, you're a founder, you're a marketer, and you're swept up in all of this just like me, watching the trapdoors fall out under every possible career path you thought you were going to take, and you're trying to keep up without burning out and constantly context switching and trying to keep up with it all, then hopefully this channel I've built is for you. Follow for breakdowns, builds, and creative workflows that actually work. Let's get ahead on this one. Human taste, human strategy, human judgment still rule the roost as far as I'm concerned, and they ain't going anywhere. So before we worry that yet another creative discipline's about to be swallowed up, let's see what we can do. Let's share stories, let's share opinions. I've been loving the comments that have been going on, mostly really, really civil stuff. So thanks so much to anyone that's paying attention. I can't wait to fiddle with this stuff myself. Goodbye.